Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Mailchimp to sync subscribers from your app step by step clearly.
Once logged in, navigate to the Audience tab on the left sidebar.
If you don't have an audience yet, create a new one by clicking on Create Audience.
Fill in the required fields, including audience name, default from email, and contact information, then save your audience settings. Next, you will need to generate an API key. To do this, go to your profile by clicking on your account name in the bottom left corner. Select Account from the drop-down menu, then click on Extras and choose API Keys.
If you don't see any API keys, click the Create a Key button to generate a new one. Copy this API key, as you will need it in your app. Now, move to your app's backend and locate the section where you manage your email subscriptions. In your code, integrate the Mailchimp API using the API key you just copied. Make sure to include the Mailchimp library or SDK for your preferred programming language. This is usually in the format of https://dc.api.mailchimp.com/3.0/list/list_id/members. Replace DC with your data center, which you can find in your Mailchimp API key. Then, substitute list_ID with the unique identifier for your audience. Using the API, set up a post request to this endpoint. Remember to convert the email address to lowercase as required by Mailchimp. After forming the request, make sure to include your API key in the authorization header. Now, test the API call by subscribing a new user through your app. Lastly, implement error handling in your code to manage any potential API response issues. This will ensure a smooth experience for your users when subscribing to your mailing list. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.